Southern girl has been frying cornbread since I was old enough to hold an iron skillet. My mother taught me how to fry cornbread, and I've been making it ever since. My husband and I try to stay away from those fried foods, but this is one of those fried foods that I can't live without. Some of you may not like your fried cornbread crispy, but we do. And this is one of the most requested recipes that I get asked for. So if you want to learn how to make some Southern fried crispy cornbread, then we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you how.
Okay, make sure you have canola oil when you're frying cornbread, and I fry mine in an iron skillet. Add enough canola oil to coat the bottom of the skillet. Turn your stovetop eye on high. Grab your cornmeal. I put 1 cup in the bowl, and I'm going to add some milk. I don't measure this, just add enough until you get the right consistency. That's perfect. Now, while waiting for the oil to get really hot, your cornmeal is going to thicken. So what you're going to do is add just a little bit more milk. Give that a stir. Perfect. And we're going to check and see if that oil is hot enough, and it's not, because that is actually going to fry. Once it does get hot, go ahead and drop 1 tablespoon of the mixture into the skillet. I've got a small skillet, so I've got 3 fritters here. And you'll know these are ready to flip when you see them cooking around the edges. Now watch your heat while you're frying these. You will play with your heat and you'll go from high to medium. Go ahead and grab that skillet and the thinnest spatula that you have. I use my trusty old spatula here. And make sure to push that skillet aside when you're finished. You don't want any grease fires. Now you need a plate with a paper towel on it right beside your skillet so that you can lay these fritters on it. And I only put paper towel on half the plate so that I can pull it out afterwards, and I arrange them in a pretty little circle so that they look much more appetizing.